again to the Melling Law YouTube channel. Today we're starting a new series about transfers on death. And I think this is important because a lot of people don't understand the difference between transfers on death versus transfers of another kind, such as a lifetime gift or some kind of bequest or a sale. So that's kind of what we're going to go into in this series. Transfers on death in general are a little bit different than other types of transfers during life because really there's a lot of different reasons. Number one, transfer at death, you have control over it until you've passed away. So if you have control over it, then you're getting the benefit of that asset until your death. So your house, you still live in your house until you've passed away. Money, you can still access those funds. They can be used for anything you want until you pass away. One of the other considerations there is taxes. So if you have a highly appreciated asset, something like real estate that you had bought years ago and it's now worth 5 to 10 times more than what you paid for it or received it at if you had inherited it, or if it's like stocks or some kind of investment that's appreciated greatly, if you were to give that away, the tax implications to the person receiving it are much greater than if you were to just transfer it to them by death. Now there is some talk in Washington about doing away with that, what's called a step up in basis upon death, but the hopes are that as long as that system stays into place, it really incentivizes transferring assets upon death instead of giving it away during lifetime. There's kind of two sides to that. The one side in Washington says we should tax that stuff more, and the other side says if we do away with this step up in basis, then we might have more people giving away money during their lifetime and then having to support them using tax dollars later in life. So it's going to be a wash either way. But however you see that, or whatever your opinions are, just keep in mind that transfers on death do have different implications than transfers during life for tax reasons, for planning purposes. So this series, we're going to talk about different types of assets and what it means to transfer them on death and what that process looks like.